Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Okie dokie. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Coleman's Military Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Coleman's Military Surplus. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. I've actually gone ahead and taken the manifest and some paper wadding out of the box just to save some time. Here's their logo, just for your reference in case you're looking for them. It'll help you spot them amongst the listings. And let's go ahead and pull out the stuff. So we got a couple of these. We have a box within a box. Pretty heavy. Let's get that over there. And we have another box within the box. I think that's it. So let me get this out of the way. This has a label on it. This says it is Hood Combat Vehicle Crewman's Balaclava. And this was listed as Balaclava Nomex. So you can see here, got DLA number, a lot number. This looks like a date code from 1991. Very cool. Possibly the original tape. Look how yellow that is. That is pretty cool, the way that takes on that shade of tint. Nice. I feel you can hear the material in there. Okay, here we have a label as well to match. From Camo Manufacturing Company, washing instructions, laundry, 9/1991, Hood Combat Vehicle Crewman's Balaclava. So DLA number, looks like an MSN possibly number up there. You can see the various flaps around the neck and shoulder area, as well as the opening for vision coverage. So various seams. Very cool. So, Nomex Crewman's hood. Put that there. Let's check out this here. 2-pack. So we got 2 of these things. Okay. So these are Mask Extreme Cold Weather USGI 2-pack. So, fairly new. You can see the padding, the buckle straps, and metallic but non-magnetic. See all the stitch patterns, the straps that go behind the head and over, 2 behind, 1 over. Okay, we got our markings here. These were from Crown Purse Incorporated, as the manufacturer. So Mask Extreme Cold Weather Olive Green 207. And then some manufacturer numbers, and also looks like NSN number. Okay, so 2 of those, and there's also a sticker here, a cancer warning. Great. Okay, next let's go with these. So looks like Welco there and back. It's a manufacturer of some USMC TW rat boots, so these should be temperate weather, I believe. There's also a contact info there for Welco. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at these. Yeah. So, Welco's. Sort of see the USMC logo there. It's pretty subtle. Look at the sole pattern. Vibrams 360s. The stitching under there. Very cool. The Welco card. You can see the lacing. They're laced together right now. It's the lightweight laces. And you can sort of see the gray pattern of lining here. I'm reaching in. There does appear to be an insole. I'm pulling out right there. And I'll have to put that back later. So, a couple of inspection tags. So we got some boots. Eagle globe and anchor marked. So last up, looks like an open box of these, listed as USGI 20mm practice round with removable base, and a case of these. So you can see here is listed for these items here, a lot number, similar label there on top and the other side. Let's go ahead and pop the cap off, and you can see, oh, there's 10 in there. Very nice for the right price. So you can see they do have a little bit of age and patina on them. And I'm not so sure if I can get the base off of these. I'm going to need a tool probably. But there's 10 of them in here. And that is a solid projectile. So, cartridge drill. And there's a lot of material on the back. I'm trying to find one cartridge I can actually read the head stamp totally on. Looks like M18A1 20mm, and then the other millimeter dimension. So 10 of these. So working our way backward, 10 cartridges, drill M18A1 20mm, and these are for the M1, AN-M2, and BRHSA guns. So I'm sure some sort of mounted platform items there. We also had the USMC rat boots from Welco. Get rid of the paper there. As well as 2-pack of the extreme cold weather masks, USGI. Again, 2-pack. And we also had a Hood Combat Vehicle Crewman's Balaclava. This is supposed to be Nomex. So these all came from Coleman's. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Coleman's. So you get their logo into view again. Coleman's military surplus. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.